Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the source page and the destination page in Figma, side by side. You should verify you have edit permissions and enable the team library when components need to be shared. Once done, tidy layers, name frames and groups so you can find targets quickly. Make sure components are detached only when necessary, because keeping component links preserves updates. Now create a temporary frame in the destination to receive imported frames. This prevents layout shifts and sets a clear insertion point. You now copy frames, components, or instances from the source page and paste them into the destination, choosing paste to original position if you need exact placement. When bringing components, decide. Keep instances to preserve updates or detach them if you need independent edits. Use the swap property to replace instances with local variants. For large or nested structures, use a migration plugin or cross-file copy to preserve constraints and auto layout. Make sure to check constraints and auto layout after pasting. You finish by validating that constraints, auto layout, and component links behave as expected in the destination page. Publish altered components to the team library when you want teammates to receive updates. Once everything looks right, remove the temporary insertion frame and tidy spacing. If something breaks, missing styles, overrides not applying, or layers shifted, then check layer names and constraints first, confirm you have proper permissions, and disable conflicting plugins. Resolving those three usually fixes most cross-page link problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.